$90 for this big set. I don't know if you guys like this set. I haven't seen any videos yet, but the only thing I see that includes is one push-along Percy, Harold, and a Trackmaster Thomas, and Carly, and what's that? I already forgot. Cranky. I don't see if this. I have no idea if these are a good set or not, but they're still here. They don't sell them. Fix them up on Friends. Thomas set with Carly and what's that? Sandy. Not a good set. I already uploaded a video. Didn't like it. Did not drop the cargo off as it should. For $29 on this bridge lift Thomas and skiff. The only thing I like is I want to say the skiff. I don't even say that I don't like this thing. I see it does have some printed seagulls on the side, and I read some people, they don't like this. They say this is the laziest set ever made. So I don't know. So on my storage, there is not on my store there's not a lot of selection. There's just a few. Just Thomas and Percy. What's this? Nia, Gordon, Rebecca for $10.88, and a few push along. What's this? This is metal. This one is graffiti Thomas. They don't have a lot of selection. They just have a few. I hate this store.